Hello, beautiful soul. How would you like to have a higher vibration, a clearer connection than you already do have to spirit, to your personal angel guides? How about to ascended masters, the gods and goddesses, and even perhaps your power or totem animals? That's what we're going to be getting into in Portal 4. Reaching behind or through the veil. Last month, we talked about in the workshop of Portal 3, lifting the veil. This month, Portal 4 is about connecting with spirit at higher frequencies, clearer vibrations, and fine-tuning how you receive, recognize, and understand the messages that you're already getting. What else are we going to be doing, and can you really do this? Yes. Believe it or not, there was a time when I was so disconnected, it was all turned off. And then one day, I think it's about 15 years ago, I realized that what I was doing wasn't working. And I mean, we hear people say that, if it's not working, then stop doing it. But what do you do instead? Well, I was trying so very hard to fit in, to be like others. And I was slowly dying inside, and I was not unhappy, but I wasn't happy either. I was just kind of coasting along and just kind of floating here and there and doing my best to just get along. And I was very dissatisfied. So I turned it all off, that other stuff, and I started turning on and tuning in. This Portal 4, connecting with spirit, reaching behind and through the veil that separates the physical and the spiritual realms, which is just all of our energies, our mindsets, our beliefs, our fears, our doubts. It's like, yeah, okay. Am I really getting this message? When emotional things happen, experiences in life, in business, in relationships, within yourself and with others, it's all of those things get in the way. And the higher and clearer your vibration, your frequency, the easier it will be to get through even those tough moments. So you know what you're getting is really coming from spirit, angels, or your guides. I have quite a posse of power animals, and I want to be able to share that with you. So how do you know that this is going to work for you? Why wouldn't it? It can work for you. Everyone who's taken this, everyone that I have worked with or has worked with us, Spirit and the Angels, I'm happy to say has gotten something. Some have gotten more than others, yes. And others have gotten it later, because you will have access to all the recordings, lifetime, and we will be, video. It's a video webinar, and I try to do my best to make it interactive, meaning if you have questions, if you're there with us live, then you're welcome to ask questions, so there's interaction. I love that piece, because my job, my mission, my intention, my agenda is to help you really get it. So what else are we going to do? What's an ascended master? An ascended master is someone who walked the earth for a while and did so well with their spiritual path that they're now ascended. Their vibration is really high, and they're still connected or be able to connect with us so that they can help us, like maybe Merlin the magician. Let's see, who else? Maybe you're into ancient Egyptology. Okay, so my mouth is falling over my tongue there. So there's Thoth, and there's Horus, and Kuan Yin, and Ganesh, and Lakshmi, Master Hilarion, who works specifically or very closely with Archangel Raphael, who is the master healer. So what we're going to be doing is to help you raise your vibe more, help you recognize, easily understand and recognize the messages, the guidance and the answers that you're getting from different places, from different sources, just walking around, those kinds of things. And we're also going to be helping you to know the different, the significance of the 9 power animals in your life and the 7 sacred directions. Now, there are lots of bonuses that come with this, and there's a burning bowl. I love the burning bowl ceremony. So you're going to have a reference guide for the animal medicine and the mystical gods and goddesses and the ascended masters, and some action steps, homework, to help you really, really get this. There's more information below on the page, so please take your time and scroll down. Will this be offered again? I often get that in email and messaging. Yes, it will, but not until sometime next summer. So that's months from now. Wouldn't it be awesome to start clearing out your connections, especially now that the holiday season is getting closer? There's always going to be something, some reason why not to do something. How about finding reasons to do something more? If you have questions, you're not sure if this is for you, if you'd like to do this privately one-on-one, because yes, this is a group program, then there's a link way down below and we can schedule a call. You can email me, and if it's not a fit for you, I'll tell you. If it is a fit or there's something that's better, I'll tell you that too. It all comes from guidance. Love to have you join us. This is amazing. And yes, it's 2 90-minute sessions. So we're going to have a chance to really get into this deeply. So again, it is all about helping you raise your vibration to the next level, fine-tune your frequency so that you get even clearer messages and really understand the guidance for your path, your business, your relationships, your purpose. Love to have you join us, beautiful soul. These workshops are amazing.